Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Raycon E50 Eardrums True Wireless Earphones. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, 80 bucks. Now they're available in 4 colors. You got black, blue, white, and gold. Now before we get started, let me say this. It's officially spring, so it's time to get your fat ass off the couch and start working out. So for the next couple of days, I'm going to focus on true wireless earbuds. So I got the Liberty Anchors, we got the J-Buds, the JBLs, the Xiaomi AirDots, and a few other ones. So if there's something that y'all want to see specifically, now's the time to leave it in the comments section and we'll check those out. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. Back in the building.
I love my white shoes.
White shoes. Calm down. Alright, so here we go. Raycon E50 Eardrums True Wireless Earphones, 80 bucks. Let's see, you got perfect fit, compact design, advanced audio technology. Let's see, anything else? Alright, easy to pair, compatible with both Apple and Android devices. Now you get your charging case. Fully charge your earphones up to 5 times while on the go. Battery life, 5 hours worth of playback and 2,000 hours worth of standby time. And you can also answer and end phone calls. All right, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Let's see what we got on deck. Got the Spider-Man. Here we go. Rah. One more. Shoes, watch out. Rah. And let's do it one more time. Rah. Okay. Nice looking presentation. Let's see what you got inside. It's going to be your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Okay, you get a little lanyard string. Let's see. Micro USB charging. Womp, womp, womp. No USB Type-C. Let's see what this is. Okay, different size ear tips. Okay, I like that. Here's your charging case. Okay, you put your lanyard string right there. Let's pop these open. Let's see. Okay. Okay, a little magnet on the top. Now, right out of the gate, I don't like that because you can lose this easily. But it is what it is. And here's your earbuds. Let's pop these out. Okay. Raycon E50 Eardrums. Now on a side note, y'all already seen me review the X90s and the E70s. Now as much as I wanted to hate these, I cannot front. The Raycons do sound good. Now these are the cheapest ones out of all of the Raycons, so I don't got too much high hopes for these, but I'm going to go into this with an open mind. Let's drop these in the case. See how they fit. Okay, calm down, Shoes, calm down. Okay, that's how they're going to look in the case. Then you drop the top right on. Okay, got 2 LEDs. It is charging up. Alright, so let me grab a little phone. We'll pair these up and then we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. Alright, y'all, so we back in. Now I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open these up, take them out of the case, they'll automatically power up, connect to each other, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, and select the Raycon E50s. Now, let's talk about the fit and the look. I do like the look, but one thing I will say, the fit is not that comfortable. All right, I'm going to show you right now. Let me put these in my ears. Okay, I just threw the right side in. Now look how this looks. See that little hook right there? I'm going to drop them in my ears. Okay, get them nice and tight. Now let me do the head shake test. All right, definitely a little bit of movement. So I don't recommend these for the gym or for your heavy activities. These will be perfect for sitting at your desk, sitting on the bus, sitting on a flight. But again, not for the gym. All right, the fit is a little bit loose and just not that comfortable. Let me show you what they're going to look like. All right, so here's how they're going to look in your ears. Like I said, I like the look. Very stealthy, very sleek. I went with the all-black Wesley Snipes version. But the fit is just not doing it for me. All right, it's not a nice tight seal. All right, so let me pull up some music and we'll do a little sound test. All right, so we're going to take it over to some Ice Cube, Check Yourself remix. All right, here we go. One tap, play and pause. Max volume. Okay, here we go. Okay, they're definitely loud. Nice mids and highs. Shoes, I'm not singing. I'm not singing, Shoes. You ain't got to leave. All right, here we go. Definitely lacking in the bass department. Okay, they are loud. Let me just readjust these. All right, here we go. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. I come real stuff, dropping bombs on your moms. Fuck car alarms. Doing foul crime, not a nigga with the outpots. And we got that endo. No, I'm not a sucker sitting in the house of pain. And no, I'm not the butler. I cut you, headbutt you. You said it can't touch this, and I wouldn't touch you, punk motherfucker. Here to let you know, boy. Oh boy, I make dope, but don't call me dope boy. This ain't no fucking motion picture. All right, hold up. Oh boy, I gotta keep it a buck with y'all. And that's my song. Now, if I was playing that song on any other set of headphones or any other set of quality earbuds, I would have had to stand up and go crazy because I literally love that song. I don't know. Right now, these ain't doing it for me. There's minimum bass. All right, these are definitely loud. Nice highs and mids. Kind of clear, but minimum bass. And the fit, I'm just not impressed with the fit. It feels like at any moment, if I jerk too far to the left or right, giggity, they might just pop out of my ears. All right, let me do a little bit more testing. All right, so now let's check the button controls. One tap for play and pause. Okay, no problems with that. Double tap, that'll take you to the next song. Okay, no problems. Double tap on the left bud, that'll take you to the previous song. Okay, just start it over. There's your previous song. Triple tap on the left earbud, that'll lower the volume. Okay, let me do that again. Okay, there's the volume down. Triple tap on the right earbud. That'll increase the volume. Okay, that works. Hold down for 2 seconds for Siri or your Google. What's the weather for tomorrow? Okay, that works. And a single tap to answer and end phone calls. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud at a time? All right, so I got the music playing. I'm going to take out the right side. Still playing. Still connected. Let's put it back in. I'm going to take out the left side. Still playing. Still connected. Now I'm going to take out the right side. Put it in the case. It's charging up. Still connected. Still playing through the left ear. All right, let's put the right one back in. Okay, just powered on, connected again. Now I'm going to take out the left side, put it in the case. Okay, just disconnected. Now reconnected to the right side. Let's see. Okay, now it's playing out of the right side. So you can play music from either earbud at a time. I do like that feature. All right, so now let's see how long these take to reconnect. As you can see on the bottom, nothing is connected. Let's open these up. I'm going to pull them out of the case. Okay, they automatically powered up. It said connected. Bluetooth paired successfully. All right, there it is. Just pop back up. Less than 5 seconds. All right, so now let's check the call quality. Got a new 24-hour dyno on deck. Raycons. Let's get max volume. Okay, it's ringing out of both ears. I like that. Yes, hi, is this the diner? Yeah, what time you guys close tonight? 24 hours. All right, great. All right, thanks. Okay, no problems with the phone call quality. Sounded nice and loud, crystal clear, and I heard the sound out of both ears. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now I'm going to do my usual test. I got a video queued up. I'm going to put one earbud right next to the mic. Listen for yourself. Okay, it's not bad. Minimum lag. Hold on, we gotta hear the rest of this.
If you say anything, you'll beg me to die.
Minimum delay. Minimum delay. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so let's wrap this up. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Raycon E50 Eardrums, they aight. Okay? DEY, they aight. Am I blown away? The answer is no. Are these worth 70 bucks? The answer is no. Can I co-sign on these? And the answer is no. All right, it's a no for me, dog. Now, there are some things that I do like, so let's talk about those first. Number 1, they are IPX4 sweat resistant. Okay, cool. I like that. Next, they do look nice. I don't like the sleek look. They come in 4 different colors. Cool. Next, you get 5 hours worth of battery on a single charge and 20 hours with the charging case. That ain't bad. Next, Bluetooth 5.0, your latest Bluetooth connections. I like that. Next, quick charge. All right, so 15 minutes of charge is going to give you an hour and a half worth of playback time. That's not bad. Next, minimum lag. All right, you're watching your videos, you're getting minimum lag. Now, there is some lag, but it's minimum lag. Next, stereo phone calls. Now, that might be the best thing about these. Talking on the phone, nice and loud, crystal clear, and you hear the person out of both ears. And lastly, the best feature about these, the one earbud test. All right, so you can play music out of either side. So you can listen to the right side, charge up the left side. Once the battery dies, switch them out, listen to the left side, charge up the right side. That's the best feature about these earbuds. Now, let's talk about everything that I don't like. Number 1, micro USB charging. Now, if you'll watch my last 2 Raycon videos, the X90s and the E70s, both of those have USB Type-C, and the X90s actually have wireless charge. They went the cheap route on this with the micro USB. Now, of course, these are the cheapest ones, so it is what it is. Next, the case design. Now, I'm really not feeling this. I hate how the top pops off like that. You're liable to lose this, all right? Now, if you drop these somewhere and you lose the top, that's the end of these earbuds. All right, so I'm not feeling the case design. Shoe, scoot, scoot. Next, the fit. Now, this is one of the things that I hate about these the most, the fit. They're just not that comfortable, and they don't fit that good. Now, I tried some different size ear tips and all of that, but that little hook design, I'm not feeling it. All right, that ain't it, Chief. That ain't it. I'm not feeling the fit at all. And lastly, now here's the thing that I don't like the most, the sound quality. The sound quality on these are not 70 bucks. These are not 70 buck worth of sound. All right, let me say that again. The sound quality on these are not a $70 set of earbuds. I would be comfortable paying $30 for these. You see the QYCs, all the little bootleg ones on Amazon, 30 bucks. That's what these sound like. They do get loud. You got mids and highs, but you got minimum bass. Which is kind of crazy because if you listen to the last 2 Raycons, they both got a lot of bass. So I thought these would at least have some bass, no bass. All right, if you're spending 70 bucks, you need to have some kind of bass. These ain't it. Now, y'all seen the tri-bits I did the other day? I recommend getting the tri-bits. I recommend a lot of other ones over these. All right, now these, if you just want the Raycon name, all right, you want to support Ray J, I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at that. But y'all come to my channel for the real deal. All right, y'all want the truth. I got to give y'all the truth. These ain't it. Now, as far as the X90s, I co-sign those. The E70s, I don't see them selling them anymore. I co-sign those too. But I cannot co-sign these. These are not White Shoes approved. Shoes, do your thing with those. Anyway, next up, we got the Liberty Ears, we got the J-Buds, we got the JBLs, and these we're going to get into these Xiaomi Air Dots. Now, I'm going to make this video quick because if you notice, everything is in Chinese. I got to go somewhere tomorrow. Now, I'm just saying Chinese. It could be another language. I got to go somewhere tomorrow. So I'm going to try to do this quick, and we'll just run through these. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.